Hello friends, now we are going to start to discuss the chapter number 7. Chapter number 7, Environmental Changes. So first we understand the meaning of environment. Earlier we have studied in the beginning chapters of the 8th standard that a complex structure of multiple spheres as like hydrosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. The complex structure of all these four spheres is called environment. But the changes coming in environment, mainly temperature, direction of winds are changing, moisture accumulation collecting process is changing due to the global warming. I repeat, the changes occurring in proportion of the temperature, changing the direction of winds, changing the accumulation of moisture due to the global warming is called environmental changes. Now we understand that so many changes are affecting the environment and creating the global warming. See, the global warming is very harmful for the existence of human life. So nobody could support global warming anyhow. But where is it affecting to the climate, to the rainfall, to the crops, to the atmosphere? Everything we need to understand first, right? So let us continue to understand about atmosphere. The air envelope the earth. We have already understood this definition. The air wrap the earth or envelop the earth from all sides. It is known as atmosphere. So, as due to the human activity, as by seeing to the human activity, we understand that atmosphere is getting polluted and it is affecting in the larger scale to the changes coming in the environment, which we have said as environmental changes. Now, which human activities are affecting, you think? The industries, more use of the vehicles, more use of the machineries in the factories, development of the energy through fuel. So the power stations are creating more pollution and it is harming to the environment in larger scale. In these days, we can see the pollution is increasing more, right? So it is a dangerous thing, remember. Now the another point come is what is called weather, because the weather is changing, the climate is changing, the rainfall is changing, all things are changing and creating the global warming situation. So let us continue to discuss that what is called weather. condition of temperature, air and moisture means humidity in any region in short time period is called weather. See, there are two terms which are mostly close to each other, weather and climate, but only one difference is about time period. Remember, if we understand about the weather, then only short term period means at the particular point of time, whatever the condition of temperature, air and moisture or the humidity in any region is seen is called weather. But the same things, condition of temperature, air and moisture means humidity during last 35 years is called climate. Repeatedly saying, the average condition of rain, temperature and moisture during 35 years means here the data is collected for 35 years about rain, moisture, accumulation of moisture and temperature is used. It is known as climate. So the climate is clearly connected with study of 35 years about temperature, rain and moisture. And earlier I said about atmosphere, that the atmosphere is for about particular point of time for temperature, air and moisture or the humidity. It is understood. So remember that climate is for study of 35 years and for specific short term period the weather is connected to it. Okay, now if we try to see that the maps given here in the textbook, temperature of one place in northern India and another place in southern India have a different proportion of rainfall. Remember, for New Delhi, highest is 22 degree, lowest 11 degree. So you can understand I am talking about winter. For Lucknow, highest 24 degree, lowest 9 degree. For Calcutta, highest 29, lowest 18. For South India, Chennai, highest 34, lowest 24. Means in South India, if the place is near the coast, the more moisture remain in the atmosphere, so the temperature cannot go down. But if we think that it is away from the South India, it is easily said that the temperature goes down in higher and the lower level also. So during the winter the situation is different, during the monsoon the situation is different, during the summer the situation is different for any regions, right my friends? So here we discussed today about some basic definitions of chapter number 7. We will continue in the next by this point. Okay friends.